Tired of cold days and freezing nights? Warm up your winter with a cozy, seasonal stew. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll be showing you my super recipe for a warm and hearty Irish Stout Beef Stew. To begin, we'll need one pre-cut, choice reserve bottom round roast. Add the beef pieces to a plastic bag filled with 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of flour. Toss the bag until your meat is thoroughly coated, and set it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of avocado oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Add in a package of sliced baby bella mushrooms, followed by a cup of chopped white onions. Then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Move the contents to a large bowl and set it to the side to bring back later. Next, add another tablespoon of avocado oil to your Dutch oven and set it on medium-high. Add in your seasoned roast pieces and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes before transferring them to the mushroom mix. Add 3 cups of organic beef bone broth along with a full bottle of Ireland's famous Guinness draft beer and 1 tablespoon of rich red tomato paste. Cook the ingredients over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're going to reincorporate the beef and mushroom onion mixture along with a half package of quartered Smart Bites baby blonde potatoes, a half package of halved baby cut carrots, 2 tablespoons of thyme, and 4 bay leaves. Bring the broth to a gentle simmer, then cover and transfer to your oven, which should be preheated to 300 degrees. Bake the dish for 1.5 to 2 hours until the beef and its accompanying vegetables are nice and tender. Pull out the bay leaves and set them aside. Then whisk 4 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of Gustari Vita red wine vinegar, and stir the combination into the stew. Simmer the dish on the stovetop for 1 to 2 minutes and ladle it into your serving bowl. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel.